First chance to see the snow. Come on, you can move a little bit. Come on, babies. Guys aren't sure of that, are you? Wow. It's kind of fun, huh? Yeah. You can see Mozart don't mind at all. He's getting his nose right in there. You don't mind that at all, do ya? Look at you. You guys are so funny. What is going on, huh? Wow. Are you supposed to eat it, or what are you supposed to do, huh? Here comes Mom and Dad and Jake. My poor Jake, all the 3 puppies were laying on him earlier, playing with him, and he wasn't liking it. They were biting on his ears. He really didn't care. He just laid there. They kind of like eating it, but what was that? Jake and Buster, what are you doing to that poor puppy? Comes Abbey. What's Riley doing, Abbey? There's Dad checking him out again. Comes Mozart. Oh yeah, they got used to it real quick. So funny. Riley, where are you going? Huh? You going all over the place, aren't you?